今日は Digital Illustration について話そう。
Hey Alice, have you been doing any digital illustration lately?
Oh, totally. I've been experimenting with different styles. What about you?
I've been trying to get into it, but I keep getting stuck on the basics.
Yeah, it can be a bit overwhelming at first. What are you struggling with?
Mostly just figuring out the software. There are so many options.
I know, right? It's like choosing a favorite child.
Exactly. Do you have a favorite tool you use?
I'm a big fan of Procreate. It's super user-friendly.
I've heard good things about Procreate. What do you like most about it?
The brushes are amazing. You can create such cool textures.
Textures are key. I need to work on that for sure.
Have you tried any specific brushes yet?
Just the default ones, to be honest. I'm scared to dive deeper.
You should. There are tons of free brush packs online.
Really? That sounds awesome. Where do I find them?
Just search for free Procreate brushes and you'll be set.
Sweet. I'm definitely going to check that out.
So, what kind of illustrations are you interested in?
I'd love to do cartoons and character designs.
Nice. Have you drawn any characters yet?
A couple, but they look like they've been through a blender.
Haha. Hey, we all start somewhere.
True. I guess that's part of the process, right?
Exactly. It's all about practicing and having fun.
Speaking of fun, do you listen to music while you draw?
All the time. It helps me get in the zone.
What's your go-to playlist?
I'm into lo-fi beats, super chill.
Oh, I love lo-fi. It's perfect for focusing.
Right? It's like a hug for your brain.
Haha, a brain hug. I like that.
You should try it next time you draw.
Definitely. Any other tips for a newbie like me?
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the journey.
That's true. I tend to be a perfectionist sometimes.
Same here. But with art, it's about expression, not perfection.
I like that perspective. Gotta remind myself of that.
For sure. Plus, you can always edit later, right?
Yeah, thank goodness for layers.
Layers are a lifesaver. They make everything easier.
I still get confused with layers sometimes, though.
Haha, me too. It's like a digital sandwich.
A sandwich? That's an interesting analogy.
Well, you've got your base, your fillings, and your toppings.
Okay, now I'm hungry for a sandwich.
Say, maybe we should take a lunch break after this?
That sounds like a plan. So what's your favorite sandwich?
I'm a sucker for a classic grilled cheese. You?
Ooh, can't go wrong with that. I love a good turkey club.
Yum, now I'm really craving one.
Let's make it a mission after we wrap this up.
Deal, but back to illustration. What inspires your characters?
I pull a lot from everyday life and my favorite shows.
Nice, pop culture is a goldmine for inspiration.
Totally. What about you? Where do you get your ideas?
I like to mix fantasy with reality. It's fun to escape. Bye.
That sounds awesome. I want to try that too.
You should. Just let your imagination run wild.
I'll give it a shot. Thanks for all the tips, Alice.
No problem. Anytime you need advice, just hit me up.
I appreciate it. I'll send you my sketches once I have some.
I can't wait to see them. You've got this, Bob.
Thanks. You're the best, Alice.
Nah, we're both just learning and growing together.
True. It's nice to have someone to bounce ideas off of.
Agreed. Collaboration makes everything more fun.
Let's keep this going. I'm excited about what's next.
Absolutely. Here's to more creative adventures ahead.